Mars, the moon, giant cities floating in space. What was once the realm of science fiction is swiftly becoming humanity's next great adventure. Our vision is no longer limited to the blue and green of Earth. Now, our gaze turns upward, outward, toward the stars. In the coming decades, we will face challenges unlike any before, testing our ingenuity, our courage, and our unity. Today, let's embark on a journey through the boldest dreams of our time and imagine what it will take to build a second home among the stars. Mars, cold, dry, and deadly. Its thin atmosphere offers little protection from cosmic radiation, and its surface is a desolate expanse of rust-red dust and rock. Yet for many, Mars represents our best hope for a new beginning. Elon Musk and SpaceX have captured the world's imagination with plans to send humans to Mars within the next decade. Their vision doesn't stop at planting a flag or leaving footprints. The goal is nothing less than a self-sustaining city, a thriving outpost of humanity on another world, by the 2050s. But how do we make such a dream a reality? The first challenge is getting there. SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft, is designed to carry up to 100 people at a time across the vast gulf between planets. The journey will be long and perilous, taking 6 months or more with no way to turn back. But for those who dare, the rewards could be extraordinary. Once on Mars, survival will depend on technology and resourcefulness. Water, the key to life, is locked away in underground ice. With advanced drilling and purification systems, future Martian settlers could extract and store this precious resource. Food will be grown in pressurized farming domes, using hydroponics and artificial lighting to nurture crops in the harsh Martian environment. Oxygen, too, can be manufactured by splitting water or extracting it from the thin air. But the ultimate dream goes even further. Terraforming Mars, transforming it into a world where humans can walk freely under an open sky. This would require generations of effort, warming the planet, thickening its atmosphere, and seeding it with life. Each mission, each innovation, brings us one step closer to turning Mars from a barren wasteland into a new home for humanity. Yet before we stake our claim on the red planet, our journey takes us back to a more familiar destination, the moon. For over half a century, it has hung in our sky as a symbol of what we once achieved and what we might do again. Now, the Artemis program, led by NASA and international partners, aims to return humans to the lunar surface. But this time, we're not just visiting, we're staying. The moon offers a unique laboratory for learning how to live and work beyond Earth. Its proximity, just a 3-day journey, makes it the ideal place to test new technologies and strategies for deep space survival. Lunar bases will be built with radiation shielding, sustainable life support systems, and modular habitats powered by the sun. Astronauts will drive rovers across the dusty plains, mine ice from shadowed craters, and grow food in controlled environments. Perhaps most importantly, the moon can serve as a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond. Its low gravity makes it easier to send spacecraft deeper into the solar system. By building refueling stations and manufacturing facilities on the lunar surface, we can reduce the cost and complexity of interplanetary travel. Each lunar mission will help us master the art of living off-world, preparing us for the even greater challenges ahead. But our ambitions do not end with planets and moons. Some dream of building humanity's next home not on a distant world, but in the vast emptiness of space itself. Imagine colossal space stations, rotating habitats that generate artificial gravity with lush gardens and bustling cities suspended above the Earth. Picture Dyson Spheres, megastructures that encircle entire stars, capturing their energy to power civilizations of unimaginable scale. These concepts may seem like science fiction, but they are grounded in real science and engineering. The International Space Station, orbiting just above our planet, is a small but significant first step. In the future, advances in artificial intelligence, robotics, and nanotechnology could make it possible to construct habitats kilometers wide, capable of housing tens of thousands of people. These orbital cities would be self-sustaining, recycling air and water, growing food and harnessing solar energy. Some visionaries imagine space elevators, towers stretching from the ground to geostationary orbit, allowing cargo and passengers to travel into space without rockets. Others dream of O'Neill cylinders, massive rotating tubes that simulate gravity and provide Earth-like environments in the void. And perhaps one day we might even build swarms of satellites and solar panels to capture the energy of entire stars, powering a civilization that spans the galaxy. The possibilities are breathtaking, but every great leap comes with great challenges. Space is unforgiving. Radiation from the sun and cosmic rays can damage cells and cause illness. Microgravity weakens bones and muscles. The psychological toll of isolation and confinement can be immense, and the costs, measured in money, resources, and human lives, are staggering. To succeed, we will need more than technology. We will need cooperation on a global scale. Nations, companies, and individuals must work together, sharing knowledge and resources for the benefit of all. We must inspire a new generation of explorers, scientists, and engineers, people willing to dedicate their lives to building a future among the stars. There will be setbacks. There will be failures. But humanity has always looked to the stars with hope and wonder. Now, for the first time, we have the tools and the vision to reach them. Imagine, for a moment, a future where children are born on Mars, where their first steps are taken in the gentle pull of lower gravity, where their first words echo through domed cities beneath a salmon sky. Imagine floating cities above the clouds of Venus, harvesting energy from the sun and minerals from the atmosphere. Picture a civilization no longer confined to a single planet, but spread across the solar system, each world a new chapter in the story of humanity. Earth will always be our home, our cradle, but it need not be our only home. By reaching out into the cosmos, we secure our future against the unknown. We open new possibilities for discovery, creativity, and growth. We become, at last, a spacefaring species. This journey has just begun. The next steps will be hard, and the road ahead is long. But with courage, imagination, and determination, we can build a future where the stars are within our grasp. Thank you for joining us on this incredible 7-day journey through the frontiers of space. From the red deserts of Mars to the silver plains of the Moon, from the spinning cities of orbit to the limitless dreams of megastructures, we have only scratched the surface of what is possible. The future is out there, waiting for us to claim it. Let's take that next step together. Subscribe for more adventures beyond Earth, and join us as we explore the cosmos, because the greatest journeys are still ahead, and the universe is waiting for us.